Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will learn how to install Roblox Studio. So firstly, after opening up your browser, type a Roblox in the search panel, then left click on Roblox. Now go to the Roblox website. After that, click on the Create tab. Now click on Get Started in Studio. After clicking on it, Roblox Studio will start installing and downloading. To wait a few minutes in order for it to install. Now the Roblox Studio has started, and now you have to authenticate your ID with Roblox Studios. Just click on Continue. And click on Open Roblox Studio. Now Roblox Studio will open by itself. Now you can access all its features from the app. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.